you can feel it. You can feel a change coming. You see, sense, and know that something is going to ask you to grow soon and sooner than later. And yet you hesitate. That's exactly what people do when the fear of growth is inside of them. It's a natural response to this sense of newness, right? And being open to possibilities. But this card today is going to show you exactly what you need to do. We are going to be looking at the Scaling New Heights card. You can see that ladder in there, right? Up along that tree, giving you the opportunity to see from a fresh perspective what is available to you. So when this card shows up, it is showing you that there's something new coming and that there might be a little uncertainty about that and some fear of growing. But what it reveals mostly is that step by step creates change, creates a different vantage point to see how you are growing, celebrate that, and look at the possibilities. It gives you this new outlook, a new perspective that inspires. Doing so, to take that first step on the rung of the ladder, requires you to connect to your inner light. It's the GPS of the soul that allows you to find the courage to take that first initial step. It's a fire card, right? Because we're rising up towards the light. When you're out of balance with your connection to spirit, your GPS is not synced up. When you are in balance, it guides you forward one step, one turn at a time, and your energy shifts with each of those because you're seeing the scenery with a new uh, way of looking. Your light lifts up and you become more excited about the journey. So ask yourself, what's one way I can resync my GPS today, my inner GPS? And how can I inspire that fire to grow? Give yourself the gift of stepping onto that first run of the ladder by realigning to approach change and growth with less fear and more inspiration. So, scale the new heights in your life, scale those new heights by going and reading the description about it and exploring the link about how this card and the entire oracle of the deck allows you to step onto the ladder and grow through life. And I'll see you in the next card.